You spend 50 grand on a ZR2, and they give you interior lighting straight from Motel 6 in 1997. I'm fixing that today, and it's a cheap upgrade that'll totally change the vibe inside your ZR2, or any vehicle for that matter. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tacticool Drive, where we turn everyday gear, gadgets, and vehicles into something that actually works for us. Today we're talking about a lighting upgrade for the Colorado ZR2. And no, not light bars or rock lights. We're replacing these sad, yellow, dim factory interior bulbs with bright, crisp LEDs. Now, quick heads up, this isn't a full install tutorial. I'll show the removal and replacement, but this is really a quick review of the upgrade and whether it's worth doing. The stock setup looks like it was designed in the same era as cassette tapes. Kinda warm, kinda nostalgic, but also kinda useless.
You're useless! Useless!
Upgrading to LEDs isn't just about looks. It's about function. Whether you're trying to find your keys at night, load up some gear, or avoid stepping in your kid's mystery slime. That stuff is outlawed in my house, by the way. If you know, you know.
Paint will not come off.
Now let's be honest, the ZR2 is a beast on the outside. Why should the inside feel like it's lit by a birthday candle during a blackout? You don't need much, just a plastic trim tool and your LED bulbs. I'll link the exact kit I used in the description. Pop off the covers gently with your trim tool. Be careful not to Hulk smash anything. Hulk smash! These plastic tabs get real cranky in cooler weather. Next, remove the old bulb. It might be worn, so don't barehand it unless you're into spicy fingertips.
Ouch!
Plug in the new LED, test it before snapping the cover back on, and boom, you're in the future.
Where?
Back to the future! The difference is night and day. Literally, way brighter, whiter, and more modern. This is how it should have come from the factory. So now, whether you're reading a map, checking your gear, or just looking for that rogue French fry, you've got visibility. If this helped you out, or if you're here just because your vehicle interior lights feel like a haunted house, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're into practical upgrades, EDC gear, or a little Tacticool flavor. Links for the bulbs and trim tools I used are in the description. And if you've got a favorite lighting mod, drop it in the comments. I'm always looking for the next upgrade. YouTube says you'll like this next video. And honestly, they might be onto something. Check it out, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.